Hello everyone, this is Edmund and welcome back to a new tutorials. And for this video, I'm going to show you how to change the command from background font color in Windows 11. To do this, let's get started. On your computer searching bar, type only CMD and then select command prompt. And here we now the homepage of CMD. To get started, type only color, space, and question mark, and then enter. As you can see guys, this is all the list of background color with the corresponding numbers like number 1 blue, 2 green, 3 aqua, 4 red. And then at the lower down, type only color, space, number 2 if you want to change into green color, and then enter. If you want to change the two combinations of colors, type only color, space, and number 57. And if you want to change the white background color, type only color, space, and number 70. And for the blue colors, just like a PowerShell, type only color and number 70. And this is all the simple tips and tricks for Windows 11. And hope guys you will learn again these simple tutorials. Thanks for supporting my channels. Thanks to my teams. And if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And click the bell notifications to update upcoming more tutorial. Thank you guys and see you in my next vlogs.